Hey guys, it's Chad Fox again with another how-to video. Sorry it's been a while since I've done some of these. I'm going to start doing some more here moving forward in the future. I've got several questions here lately since I'm restoring this old YJ here. I'm actually doing a project here where I'm stretching it over 15 inches and turning it into a rock crawler. So this is a really old, rusty old Jeep. So this would be a perfect video, or perfect time to do a video on this since I'm having problems with getting these windshield bolts out. So as always, you know, old metal, it rusts. You know, the Torx bits, you know, they round off inside of the bolt head. So, you know, I've got actually several questions on how is the best way to get these to remove. As you can see, I've already got one out here. Actually, two out on this side here. Best way I've found to get these out is take like a 15/64 drill bit and drill partially into the head, enough that you've got maybe a 1/4 inch or 3/16 of depth in, so that you can take a quality easy out or an extractor tool and get them out. I just use a standard adjustable wrench. It's about as easy as it can get. You can get the fancy clamps here. It's kind of like the tap tools, but you know, this right here works really good for what I do. So once you get this thing drilled out, you can see I've already got this one here partially drilled. So it's about, I'm guessing about, you know, 3/16 of an inch deep. Then you can take your extractor tool, get it in the hole that you started from, take a good hammer, and you're gonna start pecking on it. And as I'm pecking on this, I'm actually turning this crescent wrench and putting pressure on the extractor tool. So I'm pecking on it to get the seat really good. Most of the time the vibration will actually get these things to come on loose. Okay, so this one here isn't quite deep enough. I'm gonna hit on a little hammer, a little harder, okay. This isn't quite deep enough, so we're gonna drill into it a little bit deeper. All right, this is my little trick. I've had a lot of people talk about them breaking extractors off and breaking drill bits off. Get you a little cup of oil, keep your drill bit lubed, and it will cut this material a whole lot better. Okay, you can see how easy that cuts with a good quality drill bit. Okay, now we're going to take our extractor tool and our crescent wrench, get it started back in the hole. We're going to peck on this. As I'm pecking in, I'm turning counterclockwise on this to remove the bolt. And once it grabs really good, I'm actually going to pull down on my left hand and pull up on my right hand, equal pressure on both sides. You don't want to put this much leverage on an extractor. If you do, it can levers. It puts a ton of pressure on the tip and you'll end up breaking these. So equal pressure on both sides are the best that you can. This is kind of hard to do, but over time, you end up learning how to do that. Okay. As you can see, I finally got a good bite. This bolt is finally starting to come out. The trick is, with the larger extractors, and a little bit the larger the drill bit, don't drill too deep, because this is a tapered bolt. And if you drill too deep, you're going to be through this flange, and you'll have nothing to get a bite on to extract the bolt. So this is a quick little how-to video of how to remove rust and bolts out of your windshield frame on older Jeeps. YJs, TJs, CJs, this pretty much works for most all of them. But the trick is, do not drill too deep, and make sure you get a good quality extractor. The set that I'm currently using today, I'm not sure of the make. I think it's Klein, but you know, this here's a set that I'm currently using. I've been using these for a while. It actually works really good, and I've had pretty good luck with them. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you like this type of video and you'd like to see me do more, comment and subscribe, and we'll start doing some videos like this. If you have any questions, let me know. This is Chad Fox. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps. See you soon.